Have all the paperwork from, you know, the original owner.
Where'd you buy it from? In-state?
I bought it in-state, and I bought it from a car dealer, a used car dealer.
Okay.
And I have all the paperwork.
Do you have the proof of insurance with you?
It's at my house. You can follow me 2 streets up.
You know I can't do that. State law says you need to be able to exhibit it upon demand.
Then if you want, can you give me a ticket for the insurance, and I'll go get it deferred at the courthouse?
That's an option we have. Yes. The other thing we have going on is, do you have anything in the vehicle I need to know about? And honesty is your best answer.
No.
Because I can smell it. Don't go reaching around for stuff. No, is there anything in the car I need to know about?
Sure, no. I got nothing here. This is the only place in the entire car. I got some barbecue sauce. I got some Dunkin' Donuts. This.
Okay, well, stop reaching around for me.
I'm trying to show you.
Okay, I understand you want to show me, but I'm going to look. Okay?
Okay. I'm refusing a search.
Well,
if you want, you can call a canine. I'd also like you to call your lieutenant captain. I am late for work. I have a $3,000 treaty cut down. My employee's waiting at my house, and I'm getting pretty damn pissed.
Okay, I understand.
And I have nothing in this car. I will get out of this car. I will open everything up. I will show you my whole car. I ain't got no damn drugs.
Listen, I'm going to look. Because
fine. Call a canine. It's within my rights. You got 20 minutes.
Listen, I don't need a canine if I can smell it. It's called plain smell. Okay, stop reaching around for stuff and step out of the vehicle for me.
All right, if you damage anything, I'm
going to step out of the vehicle for me.
Fine.
When you step out, face away from me. Leave everything in the vehicle. Face away from me. Face away from me. Don't tense up on me. Put the phone on the hood. Don't tense up on me.
I'm not tensing up on you. What are you doing?
211. 1069. Step it up.
What are you doing?
Face away. Sir, place your hands behind your back. Place your hands behind your back. Do it now.
No,
do it now.
Not doing anything wrong.
Do it now.
Sir,
211. Step it up.
Call your lieutenant.
Place your hands behind your back. If you go for that knife, we're going to have problems.
I'm not taking my knife out. I am resisting arrest for an illegal search and seizure. You are illegally searching and seizing me. I do not have anything in my car. Let me go.
You're going to get tased. You're going to get tased.
Don't tape. I didn't do anything.
Place your hands on the vehicle. Do it now.
I didn't do anything. I didn't. Let me go. I didn't.
1 minute.
You can search
Place your hands behind your back. Do it now.
No, you can search my car. I didn't do anything. Let me go.
Place your hands behind your back.
Let me
do
go.
it now.
Let me go. Put on your body camera.
It is on.
Put on. Okay, good. Because then I'm going to show you I don't have anything in this car. You can take the knife out of my car.
You move.
Take the knife out of my car. Please. I'm not going to do anything.
You move. You're getting tased.
Dude, I don't want to get tased. Take the knife. I'm not going to.
Place your hands behind your back and do it now.
I got $2 grand in my wallet.
Place your hands behind your back.
Sir, let me go.
Do it now.
This is a legal search and seizure. Please. No, I got $2 grand in my wallet for a tree job.
Don't move.
No, let me go.
We're just holding the status quo for a moment.
Oh, let me go.
You move, I'm going to tase you, man.
Dude, what the Let me go.
Place your hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything. Dude, can you please just...
Do you have your cuffs?
Oh my God, I'm going to sue the out of you. I'm so going to sue the out of you. I'm going to sue the holy out of you. I am suing the holy out of you. You're not fine.
Stand by, we're going to fight.
I'm not fighting you. You're illegally doing this. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
I'm a firefighter. Relax, okay?
Dude, I didn't do anything. He's saying I got a free job. I got $2,000 in my wallet.
Dude, well, you gotta relax, okay?
I have an employee waiting at my house. I have $2,000. What the is this for?
Because we need you to relax, okay? All right?
I didn't do anything. I told you.
We know.
Car. I had $2 grand in my wallet.
I got it. We're good.
Cutting down a tree. I just went to get Dunkin'. What the Dude, just search my car. Please, can you grab my wallet?
Relax.
Dude, I got $2 grand in there. Grab my wallet, please.
We'll get it.
Come back here. Have a good one. Appreciate it, thank you.
Dude, what the What is Gaddy? K Gaddy, I'm gonna get you fired. Go ahead, search my car.
I look forward to it.
I ain't got no drugs in there. You damage it, I'm suing it. Suing you. I'm gonna sue you for illegal arrest. I didn't do a fucking thing wrong.
Relax. Relax now.
Come on.
What's your name, bro?
My name's Mo. My employee's waiting at my house.
Listen, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You
What
have
am
the
I
right
being
to speak
arrested or
to an
detained
attorney
for?
and have an attorney present during any questioning.
All right, I'd like to call
If you
my
cannot
attorney right
afford a
now.
lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand that?
I would like to call my lawyer right now. I
We'll
have
get to
his
that.
phone number in my wallet. I want to call my lawyer right now. It's on my phone. All right, I'll sit right here. Dude,
He's not going to ask me any questions.
I don't request. I have him in my phone. I would like to call him now.
Morgan, what am I going to find in the vehicle?
There's nothing in the vehicle. I told you. I said you could go ahead and search it. I offered to get out and open everything up.
Then why'd you start fighting with me?
Because you grabbed me. For no reason. You didn't say nothing. You just grabbed me. Go ahead, take my knife. I offered to let you take it.
Face him?
Go ahead, search me. I got nothing. Fuck, dude. Go ahead, search the car. I own Florida Gardener Landscape and Tree Service. I run 2 tree crews. I cut down giant ass oaks. I'm an emergency responder for tree service. I can't believe this. If you want to open up the trunk, there's a little button right under the Z symbol, right above the tag. You have to open the notch and hood. Yes, it's my car. I saved up $6,000 to buy that. And he says he pulls me over for taillights when they came from the factory that way.
And the headlights. You don't know if it came from the factory that way. You said you bought it used.
I told you I have the paperwork in my house, and that's my employee. His name's Ant. Oh, look, the phone that's ringing says Ant. It's a coffee roll and a donut. Or a coffee roll and a chicken bacon ciabatta with extra sauce and bacon.
Yeah.
To be correct, I'm not fighting him. I just didn't let him
Yeah.
touch me. Because I'm illegally resisting. This is an illegal search and
I can
seizure.
smell marijuana in the vehicle.
Nothing.
Stopped for taillights and headlights are tinted. I asked him to step out, search the vehicle.
It's funny when you don't find drugs. My name's Morgan M. Burns. I own Florida Gardener Landscape and Tree Service. I'm a professional tree surgeon and master gardener. I have no drugs in my car, no drugs in my person. I don't do drugs.
Go.
I knew it.
Go.
All that for a little weed?
Go.